next primary phone. First, let's look at the performance experience. The Honor GT Pro is the first and currently the only flagship equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chipset. Simply put, it's currently the most powerful chip in the Android camp. This chip has a main frequency of 4.47 GHz, and the GPU frequency reaches 1,200 MHz. It directly leads other performance phones in hardware, which is hardware-level dominance. Its Antutu score directly takes the top 1 spot, exceeded 3 million points. This score is indeed not as good as the previously announced 3.4 million points, but it better represents the actual performance. We also tried to run Geekbench 6, and the single-core score was stable at over 3,000 points, and the multi-core score was over 9,400 points. Coupled with LPDDR5X Ultra RAM and UFS 4.1 flash storage, it forms the strongest performance iron triangle. With the support of the Honor Phantom Engine and AI Rendering Separation 2.0 technology, demanding games run very stably, and game stability is the real skill. Here, we'll test it by running map routes in Genshin Impact and Honkai Star Rail. We'll record its frame rate curve, power consumption, and body temperature over 15 minutes. Max graphics settings with the Honor Phantom Engine enabled. 15 minutes of Genshin Impact at max setting. Its battery life performance. If the gaming performance exceeded your expectations, then its battery life performance is truly outrageous. It's equipped with a 7,200 mAh 3rd generation Honor Qinghai Lake battery, and it debuts an SoC voltage regulation chip and the self-developed energy efficiency enhancement chip Honor E1-R. It also supports 90-watt fast charging. While the body is thin and light, the battery life is super strong. This time, there's another black technology feature, charge separation. The charger can directly power the motherboard, resulting in low power draw, stable frame rates, and improved battery lifespan. This is a highly requested feature for those who love gaming. In the this part, let's look at the Honor Oasis iCare gaming screen. I think the screen part is a surprise. It features a 1.5K resolution 8T LTPO straight screen with a very useful 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. The screen has a 144 Hz refresh rate plus a 2,700 Hz instantaneous touch sampling rate. Gaming feels really responsive, whether initiating team fights in Honor of Kings or transitioning scenes in Honkai Star Rail. It responds precisely where you touch. Moreover, many games now support a 144 Hz refresh rate. In terms of audio, this phone is well equipped with communication and camera. In communication, Honor continues to excel with its self-developed RF enhancement chip. Honor C1 Plus and Honor Link Turbo are both included. I tested it in weak signal scenarios like in underground. It can be said to be a system that, once used, you can't go back from. It integrates the DeepSeek large model, making it smarter and understanding you better. A platform-level AI interaction experience. Many operations can be completed with just one. The Honor GT Pro adopts the GT family design language. Rounded straight edges, metal mid-frame, quad-curved back panel with equal depth, paired with a golden R-angle design for a good feel. Plus, the red GT totem adds to its striking appearance. To summarize, the Honor GT Pro's core experiences in performance, battery life, and eye care are truly cheat code level strong. Definitely the strongest performance flagship. Although performance is outstanding, it's also well balanced in all aspects. It includes everything it should. The configuration is strong, with no shortcomings. It's especially suitable for gamers, performance enthusiasts, and heavy smartphone users. So that's it for today's experience. Which configuration or experience do you think is its most cheat code-like strength? Feel free to share your thoughts in the bullet comments and comments section.